What's up guys, it's Yash and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be going to show you CB-GK-02 Corona wired USB keyboard. So let's get started. So it has 7 color RGB backlight, 4 levels of brightness adjustment, 9 backlit effects, anti-ghosting, 19 anti-ghosting keys, scratch resistant keys, easy to clean keys with scratch resistant inscriptions, and yep, we have tested all. Key life up to 10 million strokes, and it also has media hotkeys: volume up, down, play, pause, stop, preview, next, mute. You can just toggle by just pressing the FN key and just pressing on the F1, F2, F3, F4, etc. It also has supported operating systems, so it has Windows 9, 8, 2000, XP, Vista 7, 8 and 10 and above. So it's almost every devices can be used with, but sadly it's not Bluetooth. Dimensions: width 460mm, height 25mm, breadth 170mm, cable type it's braided, cable length 1.6 meters, keyboard weight 808 grams. Alright guys, now I'm gonna demonstrate all the 9 functions of this RGB backlight keyboard. So first is this the default one. So it like goes like rainbow colors. You're gonna cycle every single color in this. So now I'm gonna change it. So press FN and second for its second function. So here we can see that it's stopping for a while and then going. Like in the first one, it's just smoothly fading. Third one is the fade one, like single colors, yellow, then green, and then the another color, then another color. Fourth one is like this, one color like going like wave very rapidly. So if you want to change the direction, like here it's going from right to left. Now I want to do left to right. So FN and this key. Voila, there you go. So now for the fifth function, it's just the single color. Like I want to do all red, green, blue, you know, that classic one. Sixth one is like this. It gathers around all the colors here. It's like a rainbow. Seventh one is the DIY one. So here I have made my DIY one. So let me show you how it looks like. So here press FN. Actually first you have to do like FN and 77 to activate. See, it gone all white. So now I have to activate it again. At that time I deactivated. So here I can change the color. As you can see that here this portion, yellow, I have made it yellow. So this is like a DIY. You can make in like your color combinations. Like I want to do yellow, like yellow and red. Like here at this portion it's like orange, but yeah, I mean yellow. This is the DIY one. And eighth one is the touch one. Like every single key I touch, at that time it like spreads the lights and it goes off like this. So this function is like for like grabbing your attention. Like you can like in your like playing a game or something, it's really important like to give that attention to it. So now I'm going to demonstrate the F and ninth function. So this is actually like a voice one. So whatever you say, it accordingly to your frequency it changes colors. Or like if you say slow, it will like dim, but if you say very like loud, it will like glow full keyboard, like that sort of thing. So yeah, alright, that's all folks for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you're new, subscribe and smash that like button and follow me on social media. Links are in the description. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.